millions of people wake up with back pain every day. We have tips that can help you get relief. Well, back pain is one of the most common medical problems in the country, ranging from sharp pains to constant aches. Just in time for World Spine Day tomorrow, Dr. David Aguilar joins us here to talk about some tips that could bring you relief. Doctor, I think we want to start out this morning just talking about what some of the main reasons are why people have back problems.
The biggest thing that we see are people who have postural issues, because posture is the short-term way to say the way that we stand all day long, the way that we sit, the way that we hold our bodies. So frequently people will have their shoulders forward, they're rolled forward, or just the fact that we sit so much because we're so into the sitting these days that our bodies get folded, and then that tends to put us here. Then all these muscles get so tight, they work the spine so much harder than it needs to be worked, because we have this great, it's called the spinal column because it is a column. So it holds our body up, and if we use it properly and we sit well and we sit properly, our bodies aren't at as much of a disadvantage.
And so many people who have back pain know it affects much more than just your back. What are some of the other areas that can suffer when you have back pain?
I mean, anytime anybody has pain, you know, the first thing is mood. So mood and energy, because pain is exhausting. Then also, you know, when it comes to spine pain, again, just like I was saying about the posture, we roll forward, our bodies really go, now our lung expansion is so much poorer, so you get less oxygen.
So a lot of things that can impact. I know stretching is one thing you recommend, one of the best ways to cure back pain.
Absolutely.
Tell us a little bit about it, how it helps.
So when you stretch out a muscle, you take it to its full length, or at least as far as you're able to get it. When you get that full length, now your muscle is able to almost request energy a little bit better. It's able to, being at its full length, it's able to contract better. You're also able to pull out some of those knots that we have. And as you're doing all that, now it functions better. And now, you know, whether it's the lower back or the neck or whatever it is, you're able to put that part of your body in a better place.
Can you demonstrate some of the best? I know you brought your spine here today.
Absolutely.
Yeah, just give us an idea of some of the best stretches to do.
So some of our favorite stretches are the really, really simple. You know, number one, you can just sit up straight and you're going to bring your head to the side. You let your ear come down to the side without pulling these muscles really hard. And then you can use your hand even just for a little bit of extra stretch here. That gets all of this opened up. And that helps, again, that helps with our ribs and our lung expansion, and also helps with neck pain. And we got a few other neck stretches. You can kind of bring your hands up over your head, give yourself a nice pull right here. That'll get those little tiny muscles at the back of your skull. Also, some other bigger stretches for the chest. You bring your arm straight across your body, and then you lock that elbow.
This one.
Yeah, because it gets those rhomboids, those ones in the back.
Yeah.
Because any of us that sit, we've got this up here, this tension that tends to build. And another way to get at that one is you bring your hand behind your back, and then you come up nice and tall, and then bring the head to the side.
Yep, that feels good after sitting at that desk.
Right?
Perfect. Well, are these stretches preventative? Can they help both people prevent back pain and people who already have the pain?
So, of course, I don't want to tell anybody to go out there and exercise without talking to their practitioner first. The most important thing is that we don't want anybody to get hurt. These stretches are, however, very mild, very gentle. And if you are having back, neck pain, these stretches can help.
And a good idea to visit a chiropractor for a little more in-depth stretching. Right.
And so, you know, when we move your body, we're going to get a lot more motion into all these different segments of your spine.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Doctor. We appreciate you being
Absolutely.
here.
Thank you so much, Jacqueline.